So this is for individuals that are looking to get into running, any kind of foot activity that involves your three major joints in your body, your hip, your knee, and your ankle. Okay, so be mindful about that as you guys are understanding this, because at some points in your lives, you will start to prioritize different things. Weights might not always be there, but your body will be. So be mindful about that, okay? If your body's there, there's a lot of things that you can do. Please.
So we're gonna first demonstrate the sidewalks for engaging our abductors and glutes medius. So you can put the bands on your knees or you can put them down. We choose to put them down, so we're gonna demonstrate it. And then so make sure you engage your glutes medius. Okay, come on. Yep. We're going to demonstrate the most important drills. We call them A's, B's, and C's. So we're going to show the B's, for example. The B's are
What are you guys doing exactly?
so
just drive the knee out?
no, we drive the knee up. It's most important is to come quickly, but your foot should land underneath your hip. So basically is this, and you're driving the force down. So up, down, and you fully extend. So it's basically
like scraping the gum off
So-
the shoe.
So this part's working on like the initial part of your like knee drive when you're running, like to propel you forward, and this part's the heel strike and making sure you're getting an
You should land
extension.
underneath.
Yeah, and it should be landing underneath, because if you're gonna go that far out, then you can get
overstretch.
like shin splints or stress fractures, something like that.
And
Because you're taking all the
overstretch.
load out here, so you want to try to make sure it's getting right underneath.
Yeah, C's.
Awesome. Awesome, awesome.
Things too.
Leg swings
Okay.
are important too. So we'll demonstrate the side, the forward, and then the side.
So you're just opening up your hips, getting your hamstrings loose, but you don't want to like overstretch them before you have a run or a race. It's that dynamic stretching.
And we have the forward one.
So I see here that Megan was using her hand
You can.
to drive the leg up. Does anybody know what the purpose of that is? Or if there is a purpose?
What's the purpose?
So mainly it's
For a stretch.
extending.
Yeah.
You're extending your body, so you're stretching your hips, and you're coming. It's like everything. You're getting the whole stretch from
Yeah.
upper body, shoulders, and hip.
If anything, I'm kind of pushing. I give my foot a little bit of a push back, just to feel it a little bit more and open my hip. But
Fantastic.
to bring it forward, I don't really.
Yeah. It's both ways, forward and backward. You get two different kind of stretch. So trying to drive your leg up and try to stretch it back. So you're stretching your hip and also you're trying to engage your hamstrings. You're warming up your
Fantastic,
hamstrings.
fantastic, fantastic. All right, thank you so much. A round of applause.